Hey everyone, welcome back to Mani Maker. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a stencil with Cricut. Creating custom stencils with your Cricut machine is easier than you might think. Whether you're crafting signs, decorating walls, or personalizing fabric, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from design to finished stencil. Let's get started now. Start by opening Cricut Design Space and navigating to Canvas page. This is your digital workspace where you will create your stencil design. In the left panel, you'll see an option called Shapes. Just click on that and pick a square. Once the square drops onto your canvas, you just have to resize it. Make it as big as you want your stencil to be. Alright, now that the size is set, go ahead and change the color of the shape. Any color is fine. This is just to keep your things clear while we work. Next, we are going to bring in the actual design. So just add your image to the canvas. Now, select both the image and the square shape. Once they're both highlighted, head up to the top and open the Align drop-down menu. To perfectly center your image on the shape, click on the center horizontally and center vertically. That will snap everything right into place. And finally, select both the image and the shape again. This time, head down to the lower left corner and open the Combine drop-down menu and choose Subtract. Your stencil design is now complete. Click the Make It button in the top right corner to move to the cutting preparation screen. When you hit the Make button, a prompt will appear asking how you want to load your material into the machine. You'll see different loading options to choose from. Here, you need to choose the On Mat option. Then, click the Confirm button to proceed. This tells the Cricut you'll be using a cutting mat. On the Preview Mat screen, review the stencil's position. If everything looks correct, click on Continue. Now, choose 7mm Mylar from the material list. This durable plastic material is ideal for reusable stencil as sturdy, easy to clean, and can withstand multiple uses. Next, align the material with the top left corner of the mat and stick it down firmly. Then, insert the mat into your Cricut machine. Once the cutting is complete, carefully remove the mat from the machine and peel away your finished stencil. Your custom stencil is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.